I know you have so much leads in your DM right now that you have not responded to. Some of them are in your comment section, in your WhatsApp. You remember that your ad that you just ran the other day. So many, how much, when, how much. All the hot leads are in that your ad, but no one has responded to them. So why not create a system that will automatically respond to these leads and give them all the necessary information they need to help them take an action? This also will help you to sieve out the hot leads and convert them to buying customers, while the warm leads are going to convert to customers over time. So I created a system using anything that is going to help you to do this. My name is Oluchi and I help businesses like you to structure processes and systems that will help them to scale. So if you are a realtor, you are an e-commerce store owner, you are a coach, people are always asking when is your coaching session. This is going to be a very, very ideal system you should have in place. So if you're actually using your Meta to run your ads, or this is where most of your lead they are living, then you need to have a Meta verified account with a workspace email. Or if you're also using your leads are living in your website, that is very good. You can also capture them from your website and have this our AI support to respond to them accurately and provide the necessary support that they need. So let's walk through this system that I built, so you can have an idea of how this works in real life. Okay, so this is our Airtable. I have one here already that I've run, so let me delete it. So our Airtable is fresh, and our email, this is the last response, the email, the support, the AI support gave to me, so I'm deleting it. So the leads have comments or a question or an inquiry in your DM, and it captures through your Facebook or your website. Then this our edit field here is going to now help us to sieve out the name, the email, the message, and the source of these leads, and then send it to this AI classifier to classify it as a inquiry or sales, engagement, or a complaint. By the time it categorizes these three categories, a sales or inquiry, then general engagement or a complaint. Once this is categorized, it moves the message straight to the AI chat to generate a response for this lead. And by the time it generates a response, it updates our Airtable and sends the message to the lead. When it sends the message, you're going to give the lead an option to either approve, which is accept, or is going to decline. So if they decline, which means they are not hot leads, but if they take an action, which means they are your hot leads. So instead of missing them out, having them hide in your DM or wherever that your leads are living, because of the time it's going to be taking you to respond to every one of them each day, then it's going to help them convert it to you and update everything in your Airtable or whatever CRM tool that you're using. Now, if the lead is not a hot lead, maybe it's a warm lead that's going to take action later, or just a lead that is playing around and they didn't take an action, all right, we're going to decline, and we are going to ask this AI chat here to thank them, reply to them, thank them for checking out, and maybe in the future we can do something together. So it sends the message to them and also updates our CRM with the response. So here, let me trigger it and let's see how this goes. This is our Airtable and this is our email. So let's trigger. Let's say we have a message here, default message in JSON format, which is what the system is going to convert the message to and begins to send a message. So let's see. Classifies, writes an email. All right. Once it writes an email, it's going to send it to Airtable to take the next action. So Airtable is updating and email is sent to the lead. So let's see our Airtable. You can see it here. This is the question, the comment from the lead. When is your next coaching session? All right. You can see it here. Then categorize it as a sales lead, and this is a hot lead. So the AI replies, so that's why we have the status updated. Let's see what the AI replies. Say, hi, excited to help you get started on your fitness journey. The next coaching slot opens up next week. We have Tuesday at 2 p.m. and Thursday at 10 a.m. Let's lock in the best time for you. Book your session now. This is the link. So if you'd like to chat first or have any question, just reply or schedule a quick call here. All right. Can't wait to work with you. All right. Let's see the message that the lead receives. This is it here. Okay. Let's see. It does not drop. Let's refresh. All right. That's it. Hi, Oluchi. Quick reply from our team. Look at the message here. So here there is no digidali. You have to just take an action or you decline. So if it declines, doesn't want to take an action, declines, all right, our AI support is going to generate a message. This message be generated and sent to them, then updated back again in Airtable or whatever CRM tool without we having to raise a finger. All right, so let's see what our Airtable now looks like. Let's see. I think it's still updating. Yeah, that's updated. So let's see. Yeah, this is our latest AI reply. Thank you so much, because they declined. So we say thank you so much for reaching out. We are thrilled to hear that you're thinking of us. I appreciate you taking the time. Okay, you can see. All right, so let's see. Now it categorizes this as a warm lead. All right, so we can actually convert this later or it goes. And this is their response. They declined. They don't want to take an action. So we don't have all the time to do this, but AI can do this for us. And you can see the message from the lead here. All right, so this is a very seamless system. And let's see the message that the lead, the one that declines. Let's see the message that they receive after they decline. It's the same message. Look at it here. So thank you so much for reaching out. We are thrilled to hear that you're thinking of us and appreciate you taking the time to connect. We'll be in touch shortly to learn more about your needs and explore how we can serve you better. So all of this done in less than a minute without you having to raise a finger. So all of those hot leads that are hiding everywhere, make sure it is captured and helps you to make more sales, more income, and your business scales seamlessly while you are strategizing on other things that will help you to keep growing. So if this is something, and I'm sure it is something that you will need to scale your business online, feel free to reach out and we'll put heads together and find a perfect solution that solves your perfect needs and will be able to help you scale and capture more leads and more sales to your business. See you in my next video, and thank you so much for watching my video. Bye.